This says preview. Am I live? I don't know. We shall find out.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got some interesting news for you. About a week ago, one of my subscribers sent me an email, and he says, could you do a show telling us about solar activity and how it affects listening to shortwave? Well, I responded back, boy, I am no expert when it comes to solar activity, solar cycles, and all that, but I know somebody who is. So I sent Dr. T, that's who you're seeing right now, I sent her that email and asked her if she could do a show just kind of giving us an overview of solar activity and how it affects ham radio and how it affects, radar and GPS and all that stuff. And today, she did it. I can't believe it. She did it. I don't know if it was because of my email or that she was planning on doing it on Anyway, here is her show right here. It's her first and last name, and you can catch her on YouTube. I've been using excerpts of her show, just kind of briefly showing you. Go see her show on her weekly solar activity predictions and status. And so now she's going to do this mini course. It's going to be a live Q&A. It started today. It was almost 2 hours, but I missed it. I got the email, but I wasn't at my computer and I missed it. So if you haven't subscribed to her shows, subscribe to her shows. And she gives, like I say, one of the shows she does is weekly. She gives the solar activity, weather, and the prediction for the following week. And she includes information for ham operators and shortwave listeners. So thank you, Dr. T, and I'm looking forward to more of your shows in the future relating to this course where you're bringing us up to speed on what all this stuff means. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.